Is solar a scam? I don't know. I'm trying to figure it out. How about we figure it out together? There are some things that I'm not so sure about solar, and that's why personally I don't have any right now, but I'm thinking about it. So I want to find out, hey, is it going to damage my roof? I have clay roof. Maybe some of you guys have different types, composition shingle roofs. Am I overpaying for a system? That's super important because there's like different companies have different prices. The company that I choose, are they going to be in business 5 years from now, 10 years from now to service my solar system as it wears and tears over time? There's so many more questions, including, am I going to save money with solar? So let's find out together. We have a workshop. We're going to have a solar panelist. We're just going to grill him for about an hour and ask him all these pertinent questions. Feel free to join us and learn about solar and how it could help you and your bottom line, really, at the end of the day, your money.